Hi everybody, this is Svieta from Home Staging Step by Step, and I would like to welcome you to the website homestagingstepbystep.com, our blog and news and all the wonderful tips and techniques and tools that I will be providing you with. Now I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. And I live in Montreal, Canada, and I have been a professional home stager since 2006. So I've developed my local business quite successfully, and I work with hundreds of home sellers, real estate investors, and real estate agents all over the Montreal area. And also I work with anybody who even wants to decorate. So not only do I do stagings of vacant homes and lived-in homes, but I also get to help people to organize and decorate their homes, as well as do some model condos and even Airbnbs and executive rentals. So I do a lot of that stuff, and for a lot of years, and I've come across all sorts of very interesting situations. So what I've wanted to do for a long time is to share my knowledge and experience with all of you all over the world. And this is what I'm finally doing. So I will be writing a regular blog, and you will be seeing new tools and new freebies appearing on my website. And also I'm finalizing an online program, which will be an online step-by-step guide on staging your house like a pro and selling it fast and for top dollar. So welcome once again, and I'll see you soon.